Hi parents, this video is for your child safety. If you think your child has created an Instagram account and continuously using without your knowledge, okay, so then you should ask him or her to delete the account. Okay, so here is the process to delete. Okay, so this I'll tell you, and also if he is not ready, okay, then what you can do as a responsible parent, you can simply fill this form, which is actually very easy and quickly you can fill out this form. Just you need to enter username, okay, over here, and then hit submit. Okay, so this much, and very easy and quickly and effective way. So two ways I told you. First, you ask him or her to delete the account voluntarily, because let me show you the age restrictions. Okay, so country specific, they have country specific age restrictions which you need to know. Okay, so you can see in South Korea it is 14 years, then Canada, Quebec, 14 years, Spain also 14 years, Florida it is 14 years, but Australia it is 16 years. Okay, so you keep this age bracket in mind and start report. The Instagram team will do, they will review their account, okay, and delete it. So now 2 points I want to tell you. So if the account is managed by an adult, okay, so you should mention this clearly in your bio that the account is managed by a parent or a manager, adult, okay, who is adult and matured person. Okay, or else if your child is younger, okay, and he or she himself using the account, okay, when you are busy in work, so you can't take all this headache, right? So what type of content he or she is consuming? So as a responsible parent, you should report and Instagram will delete the account. Okay, and you can watch this video over here. We have shown the step how you can delete permanently an Instagram account. Okay, and please watch our playlist. We normally publish the safety and management related videos. Okay, how you can contact customer care, then TikTok, okay, Insta, Facebook, Twitter, okay, Amazon, all this video. Please subscribe this channel and wish you all the best for your safety. Take care. Bye bye.